There are 4 main sections in this course, and as you move through the workshop, you'll begin to develop an understanding of both how and why cyberbullying occurs. We will hear from the perspective of the bully alongside the impact this can have on the victim, their family and the wider community. We will provide you with a step-by-step guide on what to do if you find yourself in the unfortunate position of being cyberbullied.
You will gain an understanding of what the potential consequences of cyberbullying may be for the perpetrator. We will find out how easy it is to track a cyberbully in the hope that this will deter any individuals from embarking on this negative pathway. We will hear from Clara, a victim of cyberbullying who is now a successful influencer. We will also hear from a parent who is unfortunately living with the real-life tragic consequences of cyberbullying.
The relationships you develop online have the potential to enable you not only to survive and cope, but to engage with all experiences that online has to offer and to flourish and enjoy these experiences. Life as we know it has moved online, so techniques to remain safe, happy and resilient in your cyber life are paramount in today's society. Many young people can fall victim to cyberbullying. It can make your day-to-day lives miserable, with taunts literally following you wherever you go on your devices. Cyberbullying can have a devastating impact on your life as a young person.
Cyberbullying can have catastrophic and permanent consequences. What might seem funny to the bully can have a devastating impact on the victim. And this is why it's so important that we continue to raise awareness and to show you exactly what to do if this is happening to you.
Cyberbullying has different impacts on different people. Some individuals may brush it off and not give the bully a second thought. Other people may be deeply affected. The impacts may ultimately be tragic. By highlighting the consequences of cyberbullying, we aim to safeguard young people against this crime.
An essential part of this course is to understand what to actually do when faced with cyberbullying and how to react and respond. If the issue continues after speaking to a teacher or a trusted adult, it can always be escalated by reporting it to the police. After all, the goal is that cyberbullying is never acceptable.